What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ Favid. In today's video, guys, it's all about Ethereum, which has taken a slight dip, guys. As you can see, 8% down in the last 24 hours, and it's currently trading at $1,592. So we're going to be looking at where it's heading to next. Is it going to keep dropping in value? Obviously, the drop was in the last couple of hours. It wasn't throughout the whole day. It was fluctuating around 1.7k, and out of nowhere earlier today, it's taken a major drop. So is it going to keep dropping? Is it going to recover back up? I've seen a lot of people saying it's going to drop to $1,000 mark, so we're going to try and focus on that as well, and mainly covering both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how far this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we can see here in the Coinbase website, the market is down 6%, including Bitcoin, which has taken a major drop, 5% down. But today's focus is on Ethereum. In the last hour itself, managed to drop just over a percentage. Over the last day, 8%. Over the week, 4%. Has been very volatile, as you can see. Dropped here, peaked back up, and right now dropped again. And over the month, it is a huge 20% down, guys. So it's been consistently dropping in value for the past 4 weeks. Yes, we've had our peaks here and there, but overall it has been moving towards the negative direction. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a huge 31% in the last 24 hours, making it $21.8 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Ethereum. We're seeing a lot of buyers buying the dips right now. So if I go into here, we should see a massive 82% buy, and we've got minority of the people, 18% selling their cryptos and potentially investing into it when it drops further. So let's get straight into it, guys. On the screen we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring on the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which gives us the average value of Ethereum. It is the SMA indicator, and it is currently valuing it at $1,597, and it's trading at $1,591, meaning it's performing like it's meant to, and is very close to its average value of the purple one here. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that, just a little disclaimer, guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming in here, we can see that the blue line and the orange line are both looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and they are looking quite steep as well. The only reason for that, I would say, is the major drop that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep dropping, it's going to keep going down in value, which means more drops are on the way. However, that is not what I'm expecting. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting it to slowly starting to recover in value again. The same concept applies here, guys. I've always said, whenever you see a crypto, pumping up in value in a short amount of time, a very high percentage, the crypto has to drop back down, and the exact same here. But obviously this is the opposite direction. When it drops so much in a short amount of time, it has to recover a little bit, go back up in value, and that is exactly what I'm expecting from Ethereum as well. So hopefully we should be back above the $1,600 mark over the next couple of hours, and above, about trading around $1,650 to $1,700 towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. We should be seeing some small recovery, and it's going to have to be a slow and steady recovery rather than a huge green candlestick going back up in value. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we've got the blue line and the orange line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are meant to be expected over the coming days, so towards the end of this week, early next week. However, once again, that is not what I'm predicting. I'm expecting an overall increase in value on Ethereum over the next 7-8 days. We should be able to recover well, not fully recover, but on the way to its recovery, trading above $1,700 towards the end of this week. And again, that does not mean we're going to be hitting green candles every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's down, like today when it's red, and days when it's up and it's green. It's going to be volatile up and down, but the overall outcome, I am expecting it to be more on the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We got a mixed signal. We got the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially, we've got two lines going the opposite direction, and again, meaning I'm expecting an overall increase in value once again on Ethereum over the coming weeks. So mid to late October, I'm expecting us to head towards the $2,000 mark. Hopefully, we should be past it, but to keep on the safe side, I'm expecting us to head towards that target. I'm not expecting it to have a major drop in value. Again, crashes in the crypto market are not expected. So yes, if there is a crypto crash that is unexpected, then yes, we are going to see Ethereum, Bitcoin, and most other cryptos dropping in value as well, which hopefully doesn't happen. But if it does, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good, guys. So let's move on to let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are trading in the green zone and have been trading in the green zone since July. So mid-July, we've been going up, nearly hitting the dark green zone here, nearly hitting the resistance target, but yeah, we did drop back down in value. And right now we are fluctuating in the middle part, which I'm expecting us to potentially drop down to about 1.4k and then pick back up in value and staying within the dark green zone. I'm not expecting the crypto to drop into the red zone anytime soon, but if it does, we are in danger. But I will make sure to let you guys know if anything like that is predicted. But as of yet, so far so good. And for those of you asking, can it hit the $1,000 mark? Guys, I'm not expecting that anytime right now. Obviously, the last time we were there was back about 3-4 months ago, and then ever since then we've been recovering quite well. I'm expecting us to hopefully go upwards and onwards from here into the dark green zone and potentially into the top tier level towards the very end of this year or early next year as well. But that all depends on how the crypto market performs. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Ethereum, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below what your predictions are. What is the highest or lowest figure Ethereum can hit in 2022? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.